Hi friends, I'm Chef Leo. Today we are making the banana booster. Are you ready? Let's go! We need 1 yellow banana, 1 cup of milk, and a little bit of honey. Step 1. Peel the banana. Step 2. Put it in mixie. Step 3. Add the milk and honey. Now, we cut the bananas very carefully. Everything inside mixie. We beat everything! And that's it! We have a delicious banana juice. The banana is a highly nutritious fruit, rich in potassium, fiber, and vitamin B6. Yum! It's creamy and delicious. It gives you monkey energy. Remember to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye, little chefs!